My name is Dr. Harihar Murthy. I've got about 3 decades of experience as an ENT surgeon, and I'm practicing now with the Apollo Spectra Hospitals, Koramangala. Cochlear implants are bionic devices which are implanted into the inner ear to stimulate the nerve directly. Now, the cochlea is the interface between the mechanical sound which is heard and the electrical impulses that are generated in the cochlea. Now, when there is a problem of this interface at the level of the hair cells of the cochlea, one can be implanted with a cochlear implant device. Now, this device has to be chosen very carefully for the person such that they are able to get the maximum benefit of it, which means the earlier the child is identified for hearing deficit and suitable for a cochlear implant, the better. Having said that, even children who are a little older than a couple of years have also benefited immensely by the cochlear implant device. The brain has the ability to actually start shrinking areas which are not required and the neighboring areas take over. For example, the hearing in the brain is at the auditory cortex, which is situated in the lateral aspect of the brain. Right behind that is the visual cortex, which is situated at the back of the brain. Now, when the auditory cortex is not adequately stimulated by the nerves from the ear, then there is a cannibalizing of that area by the adjacent visual cortex, which takes over the redundant area. Very much like how people annex different areas around their houses to increase their land area. This is what happens at the level of the brain, spontaneously, automatically, as a result of which the auditory cortex shrinks. So, identifying this problem very early plays a major role in the amount of benefit a person can get out of the surgical procedure. Adults who have had hearing and lost it as they've grown older because of the damage to the hair cells can also benefit from cochlear implants. So, adults who have lost their normal hearing can benefit immensely because they don't need to be trained for new voice, they already have the voice. Unlike a child who requires habilitation and training over a long period of time for getting the best benefit of a cochlear implant.